And welcome to my channel again, Mr. Natural Banana. So, as you've seen, recently I wasn't able to make any videos since I was on vacation for the last 7 days. And during this period, I had almost been on no dieting zone at all. So, I am back in Delhi yesterday and started my workout from today onwards. Planning to go on a 7-day low-carb, high-protein diet to see how extent can I go in order to find some good and quick changes in terms of fat and getting more striations and redness in my body. So today is Monday, 25th June. So I'll continue this program for next 6 days. So I'll be on a continuous low-carb, high-protein diet until Saturday when I do my cheat meal. And meanwhile, I'll do a recording of my whole body and the fat percentage which is being recorded now in order to identify on the 6th day when I record again to see how much changes I have in my body. So it's gonna be a huge challenge, friends. Let's see how it works. Well, Mr. Natural Banana can be a banana again. Alright, I'll keep it short and see how it works. Alright. Six-day transformation challenge. That's it, guys. I see you back on Saturday when I upload my video. Maybe I'll upload this video on Saturday or on Sunday. I will collate both the videos and upload one single video of both days. I'll compile both of them. That's it, friends. I'll see you on my transformation pod. Catch you later. Bye bye. Alright, friends, it's a quick update. Today's Wednesday. 2 days on my low carb and high protein diet. So I'm just measuring my changes. Any visible improvements or differences in terms of shedding of fat or any vascularity that I'm gaining after the hardcore, or a little bit of dieting. I'm not going too hardcore on the dieting. I'm just following a strict diet and trying to eat clean diet as possible. This is Sunday, exactly on the 7th day when I'm gonna have my cheat meal. I'm gonna eat a lot, by the way, tonight. So meanwhile, I wanted to check what exactly we can do in a 7-day. I was just giving a test myself without going on a super low carb diet. I just tried to keep a low carb diet. Low carb diet as in not eating too much of garbage in my body. So I had just been eating a lot of vegetables. A lot of vegetables I ate during this period, and a lot of protein as in chicken and eggs, which is my basic protein resource. I do not take any kind of supplements, but the only supplement that I take during my intra workout, that is BCAA. That is the only thing that I consume. Other than that, I do not take any other supplements as of now. I take BCA just to make sure that I do not lose any more muscle, because already I'm into my 66 kg group. I don't lose any more. So now I'll tell you why exactly I try to do, because recently I was in vacation. So when I came back, I tried to myself make sure that this time I should do something different. Since I've been into this gymming thing a lot, why don't I try and test, because everybody is doing the same, and I learned a lot about diet so far, and that's how I've improved. When I was 86 kilos, why I have done this 7-day dieting plan. What I did, because I try to put myself back into the track so I get more punctual and responsible with my diet, and at the same time working out without any cheats in between. And when I talk about cheat, I haven't cheated anything. At times maybe I have taken 1 or 2 crisps. That was the only cheat. I haven't done any kind of drastic kind of a cheat where I go blown away eating all kind of shit. No, I hadn't. During this 7 days, what I had found, it was really tough after the first 2 days. It was really nice how I didn't feel any change after. On the 3rd day, I felt like I had no motivation at the gym, and my body was really low on energy, and also I ran out of BCA, and so I was really finding it difficult. So what I learned is that exactly so. I mean, during the period when I was low on energy at the gym, I was trying to pull my confidence up so that I don't lose the time at the gym, because I don't go to the gym to check out on people or just to waste time or to listen to music. No, always my main confidence to make it very productive, the 1 hour or 1.5 hour which I am at the gym. So if you even go these 7 days, do not have a high expectations. This is a period where you can gear yourself up, make yourself a little professional or punctual, how you can take baby steps in your life in order to getting into a bigger game. Because now in 7 or 8 days I will go on a hardcore, maybe a keto diet or paleo diet to see, because I never done abs in my life. What I have I've been doing so far, I've been doing everything on my own. So now I'll change my game a little bit, a step ahead. I'll try to do abs at the same time. I will remove any kind of I'll try consume low carb, more and more fibers and vegetables, and change a little pattern of exercise, because I've never been done too much of abs in my whole life. So now I'm gonna start abs and see myself if I can bring 6 or 8 packs, I don't know. So I'm gonna take a challenge in 7 or 10 days. Before I start the challenge, I'll also show my weight, how much I am at. Take a complete mug shot of all my angles and see how exactly I look, and then I'll give you a complete picture first before I start the plan, and I'll continue maybe a month challenge and see what exactly I can do in a month challenge. This time I have done 7 days, then I'll do a month challenge. And meanwhile, yes, it has given me confidence how to be very professional, and at the same time how to control the mind. Because remember friends, when you're at the gym, after 2 or 3 days if you follow my same diet, it will be really tough for you. And also I'll come back onto diet. When I talk about diet, eat always clean as in I have clean as in only bread or oats. Limit your bread intake, oats more, then chicken and vegetables and brown rice. That's it what I have taken, and apples right after post workout. So here is the 7-day after improvements. Well, I'm not satisfied, but still it has given me enough confidence and belief that I can take much larger challenge. And moreover, I'm not trying to bulk up anyway, so I'll be skinny like this, as you can see still. My main priority and goal in life is to look healthy and feel healthy instead of become more bulky or muscular. No, that's not the game. So that's it friends, I haven't done anything new in this. So that's it for now, and hope you like this video, and please make sure to show me some love and share your positive feedback, how can I improve, and also turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. And this is Mr. Natural Banana. Hope you like the video. Thank you.